G'day guys, what's going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to a new video. I'm currently with my dog Whiskey. We've got a trailer connected back to the Ford. We're gonna go pick up my R33, and a big thanks to James from Total Automotive. If you guys want work done to like your Skylines or whatever, make sure to hit up James from Total Automotive. He's up in Lilydale. He took this job like within the next day after I had the clutch slave issue. As I said in my last video, I had like, no room. I don't really have the time to take the gearbox out in my driveway. If I had a hoist and a bit more tools, would have done it. But so James from Total Automotive, he's so awesome. He's like, dude, I'll get this sorted for you. So he let me know what happened. He took the gearbox out, found the clutch bearing was also seized. So it's a new clutch bearing, it's seized up. Another thing is as well, my clutch fork, that clutch slave bent my clutch fork. So he went and got me a new clutch fork. He got me a new clutch slave, an OEM one. So we're gonna go to his shop. I'm gonna put my R33 in the trailer and take it home. It's shitty conditions today. It's just been raining all day. So I'm spewing. I won't be able to upload this video today, Thursday. So I might have to do this video for Monday. Let's go pick up my R33. Alright guys, we've done it. We've picked up the R33. Oh my god, towing this in the rain is actually a pain in the ass. Holy shit. There's so many hills in Lilydale that every time I go to take off, my rear wheel starts spinning and the car's kind of like drifting a little, but the trailer's staying straight. It's so weird. The scary part is being stopped on an actual uphill, trying to like gain momentum with this car on the back of the trailer, and especially that the ground's wet, car just keeps doing burnouts. I'm gonna put the camera down and make it home safe. I'm so glad that I've got the R33 back in my driveway again. It's so nice to see my car here again. It's been gone for about a week. The reason why I haven't really done much uploads is because, as I said at the start of the video, Total Automotive, James, who's awesome he hooked me up with a new clutch slave, a new bearing, did the gearbox job, and he did an amazing job. The clutch feels so nice. I love heavy clutches, and this clutch isn't really that heavy, but it's noticeable. And I really like that, and I can't wait to take this for a test drive tomorrow. I have no time today. Literally, I started work 4:30 in the morning. So I had to get to work 4:30 a.m. It is now 6:30 p.m. I have not sat down and eaten yet. My whole day has just been like work, grab the trailer, grab the car, talk shit, check it out, film, take the car off the trailer, return the trailer. It's getting really expensive hiring trailers as well. Like I've hired the trailer at least 6 times now, I think. And the amount of money I spend on renting trailers, I might as well just buy my own. But the problem is, I've got no space for a trailer and it really sucks. But anyway, I have no time to take this out for a drive in that. I've got to do a few little couple things around the engine bay. I've got to chuck in more E85 because it's running low, because I only put in like 10-15 litres, and they'll test driving it around the factory, making sure that, it goes into all the gears properly, no issues. So it's so sick to have this clutch working now. I can't believe the drama of having a HFM slave just destroyed my fork, bearing, all that crap. We're gonna take this car for a test drive soon, so we'll continue this video tomorrow. I'm so glad my car was in here. I gotta get a cover for this. There's this massive dust storm, and look at the ground, man. It's just all covered in filth, and like, check out the puddle here. You can tell how dirty that was. All right, it's the next day. I'm just checking everything over. This was sitting upside down, the power steering reservoir, so it leaked a lot of its fluid out, and the power steering pump was making a noise. So I just topped it up, so that way when we go turning in that, we won't have any issues. My heart is kind of pounding right now. I am so nervous to take this for a test drive. I haven't properly driven this car for about a good solid 8 months, I reckon. So it's been a headache building this. I still got to do the catch can, so I'm not going to push it. It's still not tuned. This test drive is to make sure everything is okay. We're going to come back and then we're going to book the tune and then finally make some power. So let's go for a test drive. To drive my car just the slightest, just reverse and drive forward. I really need to get used to this new clutch. It's very bitey, so as soon as you let go it bites, and that's 6, so that's going to be good for dumping the clutch. It's a heavier clutch and I really like the way it feels. I just got to get used to it now. So we're going to take this onto the road. Man, my heart, as I said, it's pounding. Like, it sounds so nice. I'm not gonna hit boost. I'm not gonna like flog it because this is a fresh build. I am freaking out right now. I can't believe this. I am driving my R33 for the first time in so long. Oh, it's gonna feel so weird. Even like being in these bucket seats, man. Like, I daily my works ute, been dailying the Ford, driving the S14, so being in this car with a lot of interior compared to my S14, it feels weird. As I said, I'm not gonna like hammer it. This is just a test drive, so don't get mad at me because I want to do this right. Hope you guys understand. Ooh, watch out. Holy shit, guys, we're in second gear. Third. Clutch feels amazing. I like this. I can't believe I'm driving my car. I'm gonna drive sensible. For some reason, a big part of me just wants to hammer my foot down and just gun it. But we're not gonna do that until the tune. So let's be reasonable for once. Oh, dude, that exhaust sounds good. Oh yeah, she's gonna be popping once this is tuned. And we're hitting some higher revs, she's definitely going to be popping, man. Alright, wait for this sucker. Come on, man. Got an R33 to test drive. Alright. Oh, still getting used to the clutch. She sounds good, man. Holy shit. Oh man, I just want to get this thing tuned already. Let's go now. Let's just drive to the tuners. Like 40 k's the whole way. Even though it'll take me like an hour and a half if I do that. Man, I feel like I'm going to change some rear bushings back there. Oh, that flutter. I don't know if you guys could hear that on the camera. It was like... And that was like... It wasn't even boosting, man. It was like in vacuum. So wait till this thing hits 1 bar plus. Holy shit, we are gonna have some fun in this. Let's go! Ooh, that rev match still got it, baby. Still got it. Even ooh. Don't mind me, just testing my car, man. Just trying to don't throw your tennis ball at me. Lady's like, what the fuck's he doing? He's got no front bumper, he crazy. Oh shit. Oh, I'll have what she's having. When I hit boost, I'm gonna be like that kid Oliver. Please sir, can I have some more? Oh fucking oath, we're gonna have some more, cunt. We're gonna fucking boost this thing. Holy shit, I can't believe I'm driving my R33. Is this even real life? Did I really just build this? Holy shit. I can't believe it. I built this R33. This is like my childhood dream, just to like, you know. Oh, I gotta tune it, I can't boost it yet. I'm sorry, but next time. These kids are like, boost it. I can't. Oh shit. Come on, go, 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 go. This clutch is heavy, man. Yeah, those kids back there were like, dude, make it do something. And I gotta tune it. Unfortunately, I gotta tune it. If it was tuned, I would have fucking ripped a massive skid. He's feeling fine. I just gotta, like, you know. Alright, second. Oh, that flutter, man. That flutter is so good. Going to second. As I said, I gotta like take it really easy, guys, because this build, whoo, this build has cost me more than my left nut. I haven't even shown the build to my missus. If my missus saw how much I spent on this car, she's gonna chop off my right testicle. Then I'm gonna have no balls left. Oh, yes. Look at my work. The lady's like, what the fuck? I built it! I just built it today! Told that lady I built my car. I can't believe I built this thing! Holy shit! as I was saying earlier, this is like my childhood dream. Like, I've loved these cars since I was like, you know, in kindergarten basically. Every time I saw a Skyline or a Sylvia, I'd run up to the fence and like, rip a burnout! Someone says rip a burnout, I'm definitely gonna be a... Oh man, I've like orgasmed like 30 times since being in here. I don't need sex anymore. This is... Don't push on it, man. Just be gentle. You just built it, man. Be gentle. I gotta tell myself not to hammer it because it's very hard not to. So once this thing is tuned, oh my god, I'm going to the country roads where Uncle Bob is at, and we're gonna be using Uncle Bob's road to, like, you know, hit massive amount of boost. We're gonna hit over 200 kilometers an hour, no problem, very easily. Alright, time to go home, guys. My temperatures are all good, oil pressure's good. Fucking oath, man. This is sick. Alright, let's go home, guys. Alright, one little drive. Alright, one little drive. Come on. Oh man, this is good. I'm just lost for words right now. I just kind of want to like tear up a little bit because I've worked so hard for this, guys. You don't even know, like, you don't see what goes on outside the camera life, man. Like, going to work 4:30 in the morning, coming home, working on my car all day, then editing the videos till like 10 o'clock at night, then trying to get it uploaded. I've got the worst internet as well, so it's just a drain. And then I got my missus's, friends, family, so trying to make time for everything and getting this car built in my driveway, and then building the S14 through winter. That, I need this. I really need this to be tuned so I can just hit limiter and just put this big smile on my face. Do that scene in the Joker where he grabs his blood and just does this. Oh, that's gonna be me, man. Alright, I'm back home, guys. The test drive was successful. It was very paranoid, but it felt so nice. I'm probably going to watch this video over and go, I'm such an idiot for smiling so much. But look, this whole build, you guys have seen me through the progress of it all. It's just finally nice to have this thing on the road now, drive it around the few blocks. It was so nice just to cruise around in it, and I already had attraction from the kids yelling out, "Do make it do something." That's sick. I just can't wait, you know, get this tuned now and have some fun. So pretty much went over everything in the car. Everything looks alright. I just don't like this oil filter. I wish it was sitting at the bottom of the block, but hey, if it works, it works. Gotta call Trent from Checker Tuning very soon and book that tune and then have some fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can't believe how far we have come together with doing this build. It's just so nice. Like, look at the detail. This is all dirty now because I've been resting my hand on it, working on shit, so I gotta clean this up again. But Bevan from B-World did an awesome job. This thing is so sick. Like, even the whole exhaust system, all stainless steel, 3-inch all the way to that cannon. It's just an amazing job, and he's tucked it up higher so that way when I lower my car, exhaust won't be hitting the ground because it's tucked up. Also, I got a fuel flex sensor because last time I had my car tuned, I had it tuned on 98 and E85. This time I'm just going to leave it on E85. I don't ever put 98 in this car. So E85, this is just my nice fun car to flog around, cruise around, just have fun in. So E85 it is for this car. So I'm going to make a video of this whole build. It's very expensive, so this is why I'm making this video, because I want to show you guys how much it costs, what to do, because when you guys go to do it, at least you got a peace of mind of what you're going to go through. So it is a lot of headaches. But I'm removing these gauges and putting them in the S14. I'll be getting a Haltech screen put here, somewhere around here, because I want to keep the Vegeta sticker. The reason why I've got the Vegeta sticker is there because the tacho always reads over 9,000 because the needle just flicks over to over 9. So in that episode in Dragon Ball Z where Vegeta goes, it's over 9,000, makes sense. So that's why I've got that Vegeta there, if you guys didn't know. Hopefully this year I'll have time to sand back this car properly, take it to a paint shop and get some paint done to it, because I really want to respray this car. I'm going to keep the white, but not this white. I'm going to go for something like that's really kind of just out there white with a bit of gold flake in it, so when the sun hits you kind of see like the gold in it. So it's going to be sick. Get some work wheels. I've got to update my front rotors, so I've got to change my rotors. But thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I'm really wrapped with how this came out. I can't complain, as I said a million times. And thank you guys a million times for all your love and support, supportive messages in the comments, in my Instagram. And also I'm going to be doing a Q&A. It's the first Q&A for the channel. I've never done this before, so eventually on my Instagram, this is my Instagram right here, I'm going to make a post soon, and in that post I'm going to say leave a question and answer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot your answer, have your IG name in the video while I answer the question, and we're going to go to the mountains in this car. So when the car is tuned, we're going to go for a drive in the mountains. I'll be answering the questions while I go through the toge, so that's going to be a sick video. Alright, this is the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe because you're going to see some crazy shit. Thank you guys for all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.